Jamaican police officer accused of smuggling cocaine. Officials said 90 pellets found inside her body. Viewers and subscribers, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. It will be greatly appreciated. Just want to say a big shout out to each and every one of you for liking, commenting, and just tuning in to my channel on a daily basis, people. It really does not go unnoticed. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. So, yo, people, news coming out of Jamaica. As I said before, a Jamaican police officer is accused of smuggling cocaine. Yes, you heard that correctly, people. 90 pellets found inside her body. And this is the same police officer that was arrested for an organized scamming scheme that was going on in and around Jamaica. Yes, people. So check out this CBS News article that they was talking about her, people. Check it out.
A Jamaican police officer is accused of smuggling cocaine from Jamaica to South Florida inside her body. Police say 42-year-old Shelly-Ann Shireen Allen arrived at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, and following an inspection by U.S. Customs and Border Protection, agents found drugs inside her private area, pellets of packaged drugs in her stomach, and in each bra cup. She was taken to the hospital where she expelled the drugs. Agents say 1,300 grams of cocaine were found. She's facing several charges, including importation of cocaine and possession with the intent to distribute.
So yeah, people, that's what they had to say. But the article goes on to say a Jamaica police officer is facing serious charges after being accused of smuggling cocaine to the U.S. inside her body. I know, people, inside her body, you know, people, she has smuggled cocaine. She's not the first to do this, and she will not be the last. I can tell her that. That is facts. People have done it so many times and haven't succeeded. I don't know why they keep doing this, and people, I don't know why they keep going about doing this. So it goes on to say Shelly-Ann Shireen Allen, 42, an 18-year police veteran, is accused of importing cocaine into the U.S. from Jamaica with the intent to distribute it here, according to authorities. So, people, 18-year veteran, you know what I'm saying? 18 years she has been in the force. So can you imagine if she's doing all of this, if she's doing scamming, smuggling, cocaine, and all of these people, can you imagine what she was doing as a police officer in Jamaica? Eh? Me know you don't just get up after 18 years and say, oh, me know I'll be a police officer, me I start scamming. It don't work like that. You see me, people? She probably was doing this from years. Years she probably do this, and a years then probably I watch her. The smuggling of the cocaine, this probably was her first go, cause many think people so brave fate try smuggle cocaine come America. And as me said before, it's done before. I can't tell you the numbers that have successfully passed through TSA undetected, but majority of the time, people, you're gonna get caught. Majority of the time, you are going to get caught. So it's not, worth it, isn't it, people? Freedom is not worth it. So on top of the scamming, she has cocaine charges. Cocaine, people, inside her body. Crazy. So it goes on to say, police said Allen arrived at Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport on a flight from Montego Bay, Jamaica. Upon inspection, U.S. Customs and Border Protection found a package of cocaine inside her private area and a package of cocaine inside each of her bra cups. So, people, she had the cocaine in her bra cups. Like, I don't know, that's why them are criminals, That's why they are criminals, cause them dumb. You see me? If you can't take up yourself and say you are gonna be a criminal or you're gonna do something illegal, yeah, your brain cells nah click at all. You see me? In your bra cup and in your vagina, people. Like, so many things could have went wrong. You should put them things in our vagina. What if thing pop? You see me? In our bra cup, that you're definitely gonna find that. There's no way that gonna go undetected. Them have so much canine dogs and thing at the airport. I mean, I think they are gonna get you so easy. Crazy, crazy people. So it goes on to say authorities also found 90 pellets of packaged cocaine inside her stomach, which she had swallowed. She was subsequently taken to a local hospital where she expelled the 90 pellets. So, people, on top of putting in the cocaine in her vagina, she swallowed some pellets. So, she was a walking cocaine machine. Touch her and she spit out pellets of cocaine. You see, people, that is absolutely crazy. 90 pellets in our stomach, people. She swallowed 90 of them. Yo, I don't know what she was doing. I guess she said, all right, may I run from scamming, may I go to the bank. Big bang may I go to it. So may I go take some cocaine and fly to America and sell them because the street value is way up. And yeah, may I go live happily ever after. No one say it work. Work like that. It's crazy, people. Federal agents found approximately 1,350 grams of cocaine on or inside her body when she entered the U.S. She faces charges including importation of cocaine and possession with intent to distribute. Allen faces up to 40 years in prison on each count. So yeah, people, so she look for about 80 years plus in prison, I try smuggle cocaine in the United States. But let me tell you how it works, people. Once they are watching you and them have you on their radar, especially for scamming, yeah, nothing not go slide through them or slide past them. They're on their P's and Q's. They're marking them T's, them crossing them T's and dotting them I's. You see me, people? So if she think that she could have made it in the US with so much cocaine in her body, as you can see, she will face the consequences of that. It's just sad, people. It's just very sad and how greed can take over somebody. Cause me know as a policewoman, you're probably not making the amount of money that you probably should, cause police women and men, them work hard, people. You see me? And them I try to protect each citizen of the country. You see me? But sometimes you have the bad apples in the bunch. You have the bad apples in the bunch. And when you have a bad apple and you have a good apple leaning on that bad apple, what will happen? The good apple will go spoil. So I guarantee you there is probably more officers in the force that knew this lady and is probably doing the same thing that she is doing. So now them catch her, she a go talk. And I guarantee you we're gonna hear about more officers. We are hope and pray that's not the case, but 90% of the time, people, I saw it always go. You see me? I saw it always go. Once them take down the head of the snake, everything I go just fall into place with the police officers. Them. You see me, people? So very, very sad. And I think her uncle or I think it was her uncle came out the other day and talking about that this is very shocking to him. Him never expect this. And I can understand why, because yeah, things say, your niece is a very outstanding Jamaican citizen, police officer, upholding the law of the land. And look at that. She has scammed people. She has smuggled drugs. As I say, people, you just can't imagine what she probably was doing as a police officer in a Jamaica. You see me? It's just very, very sad and unfortunate, isn't it, people? That one police officer are gonna give most of the other police officers them bad name. But people, once I get more information on this, I will update you and make you guys know what going on. Alright, bless up in yourself and thank you guys for tuning in to Yad and Abroad TV. Bless up, much love, blessings, people.